How to disable music in Need for Speed. If you want to race without background music, here is how to disable music in Need for Speed right on your phone. Let's open our Need for Speed application. From the main menu, you have to tap onto the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then at the pop-up, you have to tap on Option. Here you can see the various sound effect controls such as sound effect, music and metric system. You just have to turn off sound effect and music and your changes will be saved automatically. Just exit the settings and enjoy the pure sound of your engines. And that's how you disable music in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.